Hello student, today's class of vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1 sources. A Lyrion layer of cereals, that is food grains. Cereals are rich source of thiamines. Therefore, whole wheat flour and unpolished hand-pound rice have better nutritive value than completely polished, redefined foods. Thiamine is partially destroyed by heat. Now, a structure of thiamine. Thiamine contains a pyrimidine ring and a thiazole ring. Thiamine contains a pyrimidine ring and a thiazole ring. The vitamin is then converted to active coenzyme formed by addition of 2-phosphate group by thiamine pyrophosphate transferase. That is a structure of thiamine pyrophosphate. Thiamine ATP converted to AMP, enzyme TPP transferase thiamine pyrophosphate. Here is the structure of thiamine pyrophosphate. Substituted pyrimidine, substituted thiazole, substituted pyrimidine and substituted thiazole, mix thiamine with addition of pyrophosphate, mix thiamine pyrophosphate. Thiamine and thymine are different. Thymine is the base present in DNA. Thiamine is vitamin B1. So, both are different. Physiological role of thiamine. 1. Role as in enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. Coenzyme form is thiamine pyrophosphate. It is used in oxidative decarboxylation of alpha ketoacid. Example, pyruvate dehydrogenase, that catalyzes breakdown of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A and carbon dioxide. So, coenzyme is thiamine pyrophosphate, which is used in oxidative decarboxylation of alpha ketoacid that catalyzes breakdown of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A and carbon dioxide. Breakdown of pyruvate to pyruvate broken down to acetyl CoA and carbon dioxide. Another role of thiamine in enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Here also acts as coenzyme in the form of TPP in oxidative decarboxylation of alpha ketoglutarate, which is breakdown to succinyl-CoA and CO2. In transketolase, in hexose monophosphate shunt pathway of glucose, the main role of thiamine in the form of TPP is in carbohydrate metabolism, so the requirement of thiamine is increased along with higher intake of carbohydrate. Now, deficiency manifestation of thiamine. Very symptoms are anorexia, dyspepsia, heaviness and weakness. Subjects feel weak and get easily exhausted. What happens in beriberi? Symptoms are anorexia, भूख नहीं लगता है, dyspepsia, heaviness and weakness. Subjects feel weak and get easily exhausted. Now, weight beriberi. Here, cardiovascular manifestation are prominent. Edema of legs, face, trunk and serous cavities are the main features. Means body is here swollen. Body hairs and serous cavities are filled with fluids. Dry beriberi. Central, so types of beriberi: wet beriberi and dry beriberi. In dry beriberi, central nervous system manifestation are major features. Central nervous system manifestations are major features: peripheral neuritis with sensory disturbances that lead to complete paralysis. In dry beriberi, peripheral neuritis, the main feature. Infantile beriberi. It occurs in infants born to mothers suffering from thiamine deficiency. Infantile beriberi occurs in infant born to mother suffering from thiamine deficiency. Restlessness and sleeplessness are observed. Another deficiency symptom is Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It is also called as cerebral beriberi. Clinical features are encephalopathy, manifested as ophthalmoplegia, paralysis of eye muscle, nystagmus, irregular movement of eye, cerebral ataxia plus psychosis, polyneuritis. It is common in alcoholics, in chronic alcoholics. Alcohol utilization needs large dosage of thiamine. Alcohol inhibits intestinal absorption of thiamine, leading to thiamine deficiency. Polyneuritis may also associated with pregnancy and old age. Thiamine deficiency may cause impairment of conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. Result is increased plasma concentration of pyruvate and lactate, leading to lactic acidosis. Thiamine deficiency manifested as horizontal ridges in nails. Horizontal ridges in nails. That is horizontal ridges in nails in thiamine deficiency. Biochemical parameters: in thiamine deficiency, blood thiamine level reduced, but pyruvate, alpha-ketoglutarate, and lactates are increased. Erythrocyte transketolase activity is reduced. This is the earliest manifestation seen even before clinical disturbance. Recommended daily allowance of thiamine: it depends upon calorie intake, 0.5 mg per 1000 calorie. Requirement is 1 to 1.5 mg per day. Thiamine is drug used in treatment of very alcoholic polyneuritis, neuritis of pregnancy, and neuritis of old age. This was about all thiamine. Now vitamin 2, that is riboflavin. This is a structure of riboflavin. One ring is dimethyl isoalloxazine, and one is structure is D-ribitol. So combined called riboflavin. Dimethyl isoalloxazone and D-ribitol combined called riboflavin. Riboflavin involved in generation of coenzyme flavin mononucleotide and FAD, FMN and FAD. With the enzyme flavokinase, FMN produce and FAD synthetase, FAD produce. And in both reaction requires ATP. Here is a structure of FAD, flavin adenine nucleotide. Here is flavin mononucleotide, then another molecule adenine, FMN and flavin adenine dinucleotide, mononucleotide and dinucleotide. Here is riboflavin, one phosphate, that is flavin mononucleotide. Here is another adenosine mononucleotide and combined flavin adenine dinucleotide. Here is ring of FAD and FADH2. That is nitrogen molecule that accepts hydrogen atom and forms FADH2. FMN or FAD, in center is semiquinone form and ultimately hydroquinone form. In center is semiquinone form and ultimately hydroquinone form. Now FMN dependent enzyme. During the amino acid oxidation, FMN is reduced. It is reoxidized by molecular oxidation oxygen to produce hydrogen peroxide. In respiratory chain, NADH dehydrogenase contains FMN. Electrons are transported in following manner: NADH, NAD2-FMN to coenzyme Q, succinate to fumarate by succinate dehydrogenase, acetyl coenzyme Q to alpha-beta unsaturated acetyl-CoA by acyl-CoA dehydrogenase, xanthine to uric acid by xanthine oxidase, pyruvate to acetyl-CoA by pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha-ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA by alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, retinol to retinoic acid by cytosolic retinal dehydrogenase. Synthesis of 5-methyl tetrahydrofolate from 5,10-methylene tetrahydrofolate by methylene tetrahydrofolate reductase. Tryptophan to niacin. These are all FAD-dependent enzymes. Riboflavin deficiency. Deficiency of riboflavin in man is uncommon because riboflavin is synthesized by intestinal flora. Deficiency manifestation: glossitis means inflammation of tongue. Tongue becomes magenta colored. Cheilosis. Lip or fissured lip. Angular stomatitis. Inflammation at the corners of mouth. Circumcorneal vascularization. Proliferation of the bulbar conjunctival capillary is the earliest sign. Normochromic normocytic anemia. Irregular ridges in nails. That is glossitis, magenta colored tongue, and cheilosis, circumcorneal vascularization, and irregular ridges in nails is riboflavin deficiency. Dietary sources of riboflavin. Rich sources are liver, dried yeast, egg and whole milk. Good sources are fish, whole cereals, legumes, and green leafy vegetables. Daily requirement. Riboflavin is concerned mainly with metabolism of carbohydrate and requirement is related to calorie intake. Adult on sedentary work require about 1.5 mg per day. During pregnancy, lactation and old age, additional 0.2 to 4 mg per day required. Thank you.